When something is experimentally verified, it is science. When we see through electrolysis that water is divided into 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen, then what do we conclude? Water is H2O. If it was not experimentally verified, would you have accepted it as science? If somebody said that no, 3 nitrogen and 1 sulfur makes it water, will you accept it? No. So science is experimentally verified facts. Therefore, religion should be treated as a science, not as a faith. With all due respect, I can say what's going on in the name of religion, because it's simply based on faith, is causing so many problems in the name of religion. People are losing faith, people are losing respect, people are losing the confidence in religion because what's going on in the name of religion. And what is happening? It has just become faith. I am a Hindu, therefore it's my faith. I am a Muslim, therefore it's my faith. I am a Christian because it's my faith. But no, religion should be treated as a science. And if we do treat it as a science, then we will say every religion is speaking about the same thing. Then we'll find perfect harmony among different religions. If a physicist comes from Russia, another physicist comes from America, another physicist comes from India, won't they be able to sit together and discuss productively, harmoniously? Because they know they are actually pursuing the same topic, same subject. So, religion is a science and it should be treated as a science. Science because it's the means to understand the spiritual reality.